Hello everybody. In this time we are talking about observational research. Observational research is a research technique where you observe participants and phenomena in their most natural settings. This enables researchers to see their subjects make choices and react to situations in their natural setting, as opposed to structured settings like research labs or focus groups. Then we move to the three types of observational research. The first, controlled observation. Controlled observations are typically a structured observation that takes place in a psych lab. The researcher has a question in mind and controls many of the variables, including participants, observation location, time of the study, circumstances surrounding the research, and more. During this type of study, the researchers will often create codes that represent different types of behaviors. That way, instead of writing a detailed report, they can classify behavior into different categories and analyze the data with more ease. The second, participant observation. Type of observation method is participant observation. That is a type of naturalistic observation, in fact, that market researchers will observe participants in their natural habitat. The difference is market researchers will insert themselves into the environment. The third, naturalistic observations. Naturalistic observation is another type of observation research method used by market researchers. This type of observation is when market researchers study the behaviors of participants in a natural surrounding. There are typically no predetermined behavioral codes. Instead, the researchers will take rigorous notes and code the data later. And then, how to improve observation skills. The first, identify your purpose. When you're looking to improve something about yourself, it can be helpful to understand why. Knowing your purpose for a goal can keep you focused and guide your practice. If, for example, your primary interest is in being a more helpful teammate, keeping this purpose in mind can help you direct your colleagues, such as their strengths, interests, concerns, and challenges. The second, test your skills. When you feel that you developed your observation skills, you can put them to test by acting on your observations. If, for example, you notice a co-worker seems stressed, try a approaching them and politely asking about it. They may say they're fine and offer an explanation, or they may admit that they feel overwhelmed and you can offer help. In either case, you gain implicit feedback about your observation, whether you were right or wrong, and can use that to inform future observation. And then the third, focus on the present time and place. Observation involves taking in the details of a particular setting, being preoccupied with questions relating to future events, past occurrences, or distractions such as your phone or social media can hinder your ability to recognize what's going on around you. As you work on strengthening your observation skills, try to put away all distracting elements and acknowledge the present moment. And then the fourth, learn more. You can direct your observation skills to more than just your environment and people. You can also apply them to tasks. It is important to learn as much as you can about subjects in which you'd like to be more observant. For example, developing a basic understanding of coding and computer related concepts can allow you to notice IT developments in the workplace, even if this field isn't part of your work. With such knowledge, you can contribute more broadly to your work and thus improve your standing in your organizations. Fifth, mindfully monitor your environment. The ability to observe, like any skill, can strengthen with practice. Try to spend some time every day just observing your environment using as many of your senses as possible. You can do this anywhere that you can observe activity non-invasively, such as a park, a town square, a sidewalk table, or your office desk. Over time, you may notice patterns in behaviors and attitudes which can make it more apparent when they shift. Your subjects don't have to be people. You can also observe animals and nature. Fish in a pond, for example, can be excellent subjects for practicing your observation skills, as you can take in how they look, how they move, and how they react to different stimuli. And the sixth, perform observation exercises. Observation exercises are activities designed to test and build your ability to recognize, recall, or connect details. This usually involve an image, a video, or an arrangement accompanied by one or several questions. A famous example is Kim's game, in which you spend a minute studying a number of objects on a table or in a picture, and then try to write as many of the objects as you can remember. Playing this game trains you to brain, to notice and recall details. I think it is enough on this session. Thanks for watching, and don't forget give this channel with a like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you.